Hello, boys and girls, and happy Tuesday. I hope you're having a terrific start to your day today. Thank you for joining in and watching our writing videos. I hope you enjoyed listening to the Read Aloud with Miss Harris about the Lorax. The reason why we are doing that book is because this is our last week of persuasive writing. So this is going to be your big final writing piece that's going to kind of count for your grade to see if you know how to write a persuasive writing. So it is really important that this week you are doing the best that you can and watching all the videos to help support your writing. You can use your same paper from yesterday, or you could get a new paper. I'm going to turn my paper over so that you can see it, since it kind of gets cut off with my video. But did you see? The belly's getting bigger, huh, boys and girls? Okay, so what I wanted to talk about with the Lorax is the reason why we chose that book is because in that story, the Lorax, he keeps trying to persuade people to care about the environment. He keeps fighting for that and really trying to give lots and lots of reasons on why it's important to care about the environment. So today, your job is to think of something that you want to change, something you want to make better. It could be something at your house, something at school, something when you go to like a park or a beach, or even just something to make the whole world better, like the Lorax wanted to do. So right now, go ahead, let's quietly think of our own ideas. I'm going to start with that school ideas because that's the same for both of us. We both go to the same school, so we might have the same ideas there. Oh, like the first thing I could think of is maybe we need more swings at recess. I remember we would kind of have lots of tattling and fighting over swings, so that's something we could change to make it better. Maybe you want more time for recess. Instead of one recess, maybe you want to have 2 recesses. Do you guys have lots of ideas? Okay, so for your writing today, make sure you have your name and the date on today's paper. So I'm going to get that going. This is Rondo. And today is Tuesday, April 28, 2020. So when we write that, we're going to write it 4-28-20. And then you're going to make a list of all your ideas for things that you want to make better. Remember, when we make a list, you can start by drawing pictures or by writing your words. So when I do it, I usually like to draw my pictures first and then label that. So the first thing I thought of was having more swings at recess. So that's what I'm going to draw. And then so I drew my picture of the swings, and now I need to label it. So I'm going to write more swings. And we know that ing says ing, remember? So more swings. So some other things that I think we could do better. In our classroom, one thing I think my students can do better is pushing in their chairs. When we get up from our tables and come to the carpet, I notice a lot of students still forget to push in their chairs, and people can get hurt. People can trip on the chairs. So that's going to be something else I add to my list. Push. Push. Which H brother says shh? Yeah, SH. Push in chairs. There's another H brother. Which one says ch, ch? Yeah, like Charlie, CH. Airs. Okay, so those are some of my ideas. More swings, pushing in our chairs. Maybe, what else could we fix? Maybe you want to change something at your house. Maybe you want to get a bigger TV or a new video game or Xbox or anything like that. But remember, when we're doing this, I want you to be thinking of the Lorax and trying to make the world better, or trying to make your school better or your house better. Okay, not just more things to have more things. So some other ideas of things to help people do better at school that I could think of would be how important it is to always walk. I've even seen it in my classroom where I'll have two students who are kind of being silly and then they crash. And usually somebody gets hurt. I've also seen students running in our hallways. So that could be something I want to work on changing, is making sure people are always walking at school. Walk. So I just did a picture of somebody walking. Okay, my friends, so your job today is to make a list of all the things that you might want to write about that could involve making the world a better place. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Bye.